Hello, my name is Akiko. I'd like to talk about short vowels in English for this assignment. I picked this topic for my students. They are Japanese kids, and it seems difficult for them to tell the difference between short vowels, especially a and a. Then I looked for a video, and I found this one. The title is The Vowel Family Superphonics, Ping Pong Songs for Children. The audience of the video, it is say children, and I think the video is good for 3 to 5 years old kids in areas where English is spoken, and 7 to 9 years old kids in areas where English is taught as a foreign language. Please watch the video first. Alright, let's stop here. And from this video, I can see the strengths and weaknesses. Strength is the video is song with repeated rhythm. It's easy to remember the lyrics for the kids. And the video is very colorful with cute characters which kids will like. And the video length is about 1 minute, so not so long. Good length of the music. And as you watch now, I'm A. It introduces their own name. I can say and sound. I'm E. I can say like this. So kids can tell the difference between name and sound. Also, it's the cat, mat, hat, and pat. After this, it shows words with the vowels. So kids can learn the words with the vowels too. On the other hand, weaknesses are one, the music is quite fast for the beginners. So I think Japanese kids, it's hard for them to follow the music at first. And other weakness is it's not clear to tell the difference of the sounds between a and o or a and r. Let's watch that part. Here is the sound. I can say a, and there earlier and for you, but I think it's hard for the Japanese kids to tell the difference. Same thing can be say o. And I'd like to introduce one textbook. The title is This is Phonics 1 by MPI Inc. This textbook is designed especially for Japanese kids to learn English as a foreign language. And this is how they introduce short vowels. Vowels are introduced with jingles. A says a bag. E says a pen like this. The points to pronounce the sound. Mouth shape is shown by pictures of a boy's face with explanation in Japanese. So it's easy to make the shape of the mouth. And this is exercises of vowels. Listen and fill out the missing vowels. Number 1, cat. Number 2, cup. Something like this. These pictures will be a hint. However, it's hard to guess the differences between hat, hot, fat, fax, fox, bag, bug, or cat, hut, only by listening once. And these are the exercises. Listen and write the words, or listen and choose the correct vowels. For me, I think kids need to practice listening correct words among similar ones and making the sound correctly. So this is the lesson I like. Listen the words, a word, and choose the correct one. For example, A, if it's a hat, circle hat. B, if it's a bug, circle bug. Good exercise after practice each vowel sound. However, there are only 8 pairs. So I think need more drills of each words of the pairs or more pairs to practice. How I improve the exercise? Use the video and add minimum pairs in the video. For example, here fan, run, sun, and ban. Fan, it has fan as a minimum pair. Run, it has ran as a minimum pair. Or ban, it has ban. So after this song, I think add more. We can add minimum pairs in the video and more drills in the video with pictures. I think it helps kids connect visual information and listening together. How I can use the video in my teaching context. Audience, my student is, as I mentioned earlier, elementary kids in the grade 3 to 4. They are native speakers of Japanese language. They are expected to master alphabet earlier than this lesson. They are expected to be familiar to phonics alphabet, meaning they are able to tell the differences between names and sounds of the letters. Then my suggestion is 1. Use the video after the introduction of the textbook, learning the shape of the mouse, and you can watch this video. And also 2. Repeat the minimum pairs added in the end of the video. Okay, this is what I suggest, and this is my references. Thank you for watching.